Going to replace the license plate bulb on a 2013 Ford Fusion. One right there, and one right there. I'll just show you how to change the one bulb. See if I can do it while recording. So you're going to need a screwdriver, flathead, and right there, there's a little clip you're going to put this into, and that should do that. Now it's out. You can see the bulb. I don't know if you can see it or not, but it's right there. And this is twist and there we go. Just popped off. Great. And that's the bulb right there that I'm going to replace. You just have to pull that out. To remove the bulb, all you need to do is just pull it out like that. As you can see, that's how it looks, and that's the bulb right there that's burnt. I'm going to be replacing it with this LED bulb right here. Should just fit right in. So let's see if I can add the new bulb in with just one hand. There doesn't appear to be any positive or negative markers, indicators on these LED bulbs, on this LED bulb that I'm using. Yeah, I think I'm going to have to use two hands for this one. Yeah, I'm going to need two hands. Alright, so I've pushed the LED bulb in, and now it's just to push the unlock button on the car. That should light this up. There we go. I don't know if you can see it. It's pretty sunny out, but it is coming in pretty bright actually. So yeah, and then we'll just install in reverse order. With this here, you'll see that there is a rubber gasket around here. That's to give it a seal, because this is exposed to, you know, the elements and you know, car washes and stuff like that, so you don't want to have any moisture getting in here. And this looks like it's pretty clear in here, so I don't need to worry about cleaning it at all or anything. So we'll just push it back in. So you're going to push it in, and then you're going to twist the socket part, and that'll lock it into place. So I've pushed in the socket, and I've twisted it clockwise, and now it's locked into place. As you can see, it doesn't pull out or anything. And so just put that back in like so. There we go. There's the click sound you heard. That means it's in there. And that's how you replace a light bulb with an LED for your taillight on a 13 Ford Fusion.